in here we have the bag of remedies. All that stuff.
So it's my favourite time of year, which is prolapse season. Every year we have prolapsing sheep, and polyprolapse. But I seem to just get obsessed with it, and it becomes a bit of a extra hassle. And so we've got the first one today. So we're just going to go and try and put the harness on and see if that sorts it out. And we started on evening feeds, so feeding twice a day last Wednesday, and they're getting into it now. We're ready and waiting. So we're driving the sheep along, or I'm calling them along. We're going to try and get them in a corner so we can stand a better chance of catching the prolapse sheep. So the one that we wanted is the one that's decided to piss off. Awkward, I know. So it was mission failed. So we'll try again tomorrow. So the clocks have changed, which means we're going to be catching the animals out.
I think what they're doing this morning, an hour earlier. They shouldn't catch on.
It is cold today, isn't it?
Cold, very cold.
I've even got my gloves on.
Yeah.
I'll give them a yell, shall I?
Yeah.
Come on! Come on! So that's the one that's showing a little bit, and at the moment she won't be caught, so we're just monitoring the situation. It's not a full prolapse, it's just a bit of a sign that maybe she's been pushing a little bit. So you better get your water filling up.
Yeah, well, it's this dry weather. I mean, there was a time, only a matter of a couple of weeks ago, when there was more rain going in the troughs than they were drinking. Well, there's 12 Highland cattle here, and we bring 1,000 litre of water up. Well, it used to be sort of once a week, once every 10 days. Now we're on about every 3 days. They're really drinking a lot. So.
There's no water supply up here because it's too far away from the farm, so they've got these bathtubs. So that's why they're there then, they're waiting for the water. Are they all there? Yes, we love the view from up here. Very special. I know. Lots of faces watching us.
There's some flowers coming through here.
Come on! So that's the prolapse sheep over there, setting off, being a pain. So after a few laps of the field, she's finally given up. So Dad's got her pinned up against the trough, and we're going to put this harness on now. Right. That'll make you more comfortable, lassie.
Well, yes, I just have to look at the other, with two of these harnesses. We have these butterfly things, which are a bit of a waste of time, I think. So we've got two of these harnesses, and I just got the other one out and realised there's a piece that was off this in the bag, and that made sense. There's a piece around the neck to support the back straps, and then the supports over her rear quarters, which keep all that in place. Hopefully that will...
Stop her from pushing it out.
Well, I mean, I've had them, you're supposed to ideally take them off before they lamb, but I've actually had them lamb
Successfully.
with them on quite successfully, so
yeah.
We'll see how she goes.
So shall we take her back into the other field with the others?
Yeah. And if any problems, I have to get in. That should help a lot.
So if you're not familiar with what we're talking about when we refer to a prolapse in a sheep, it's when, prior to lambing, when they get heavily in lamb, particularly if they're having 3 lambs, there's a lot of pressure on the uterus and the womb and everything as the lambs get to near full size, and they can have a tendency to start to prematurely push and actually push the uterus out. And then it makes them very uncomfortable, and in the past we've had problems where crows have pecked at it whilst the sheep's been laid down and caused a real mess. So you have to sort it, but in this case she obviously wasn't feeling too uncomfortable yet because she was still running around like a maniac, but on this occasion the process of her running around actually caused the uterus to go back in, and so we just needed to fit the harness to stop her from pushing it back out again. So yeah, there's the lesson. So this morning we are putting a fence in after the new drainage work meant that they ripped a big hole in the fence. So we've actually got dust for the first time in quite some time. Dust is a thing, dust clouds. We've had like a week of dry weather, pretty much. And down in the corner you can see there's a digger over there. That's where we're having our new reed bed for the campsite, well, for the whole farm really, for the sewage works. The reed bed's going to clean the surface, clean the water. God, I don't know what I'm talking about. So this field here that Dad is chain harrowing is known as the Dale Field. Obviously this is Dale Farm. I don't know why it's called the Dale Field, but it's always been known as that. Hello, so I just thought I would do a little bit of an update really about how I'm feeling. So it's Monday, the perhaps 29th or the 30th of March, I'm not sure, it's Monday. And I've been quite up and down the past few days. Saturday I felt a bit low, sort of battled through low mood. Sunday I was much more perky, managed to be a lot more purposeful. And today, although I have had certain things, I've been busy-ish, I still have felt a little bit low, I would say. So yeah, it's a difficult one to try, and you can't be buoyant all the time. The supermarket was a rubbish experience today. It felt very militant and scary, and I didn't enjoy that. And that sort of clouded the day a little bit. But I think that's how it is. We take it one day at a time, and I try really hard to focus on the good things and what I can be thankful for. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video this time. If you have, please give it a like and a comment. Please subscribe if you want to see more from the channel. It helps to support my channel. And there'll be more videos coming soon. 1 week away from lambing now, so not long to go. And see you next time. Thank you. Bye.